Kumar, second from 10th H. Here we are giving the presentation, a beautiful presentation in the form of PPT of subject mathematics. So let's move forward, start our presentation. So our presentation topic is trigonometric table and formulae. So let's discuss about it in a very different and a beautiful manner. Oh my god, there is a condition given to us. So let's discuss about what is the condition given to us. Let's read. There is a condition. Imagine one student seeing the Qutub Minar standing at right angle to that Minar, and he wants to find out the height of that Minar without actually measuring. Huh? How is it possible? If he doesn't measure the height of the Qutub Minar, how can he find the height of the Qutub Minar? Means there is a student like there is a student like A is a student, and it is a Qutub Minar, and he is standing right angle to that Qutub Minar, and he wants to find out, and he was sitting at the top of that Minar in such a manner. So he wants to find out the height of that Minar. So how could it possible? If he doesn't measure the height of that Minar, so how could it possible? So let's move forward for the answer of that question. Again another question given to us. So let's read what is the question. What is the use of trigonometry? Oh, by the help of trigonometry we can find the answer of that condition without actually measuring the height of that minar. Oh my god, in that these four line giving the answer of both the question, the earlier question also and that one question also. Means that with the help of trigonometry we can find the height of that Qutub Minar by without actually measuring it, and the trigonometry trigonometry used in that purpose. Means that these four lines are the answer of both the questions. So let's move forward without wasting our precious time, because time is very precious. Oh my god, what is it? It is nothing. Seems to be very difficult, but it is very easy. It is a trigonometry table, and that table is very useful in the solution of the trigonometry. Means the trigonometry questions जो होते हैं उनमें ये table बहुत कम आती है, and we can do the more and more question with the help of that table, and that table is very useful. Without that table we cannot do any type of trigonometric question. So you can go through it by pause the video and just read once and learn it. Oh, there are some trigonometric formula given to us. Trigonometric formula means previously there is a table given to us. That table is useful in the trigonometric question, and that formula is used in the trigonometric questions to find out the answer of more and more questions, and you can do the more and more solutions to find out the answer in such a manner. Like sin 90 degree is equals to 1 and cos 90 degree is equals to 0, and another one tan 0 degree is equals to sin 0 degree upon cos 0 degree is equals to 0. These sin 0 degree cos 0 degree, अब आप सोच रहे होंगे sin 0 डिग्री क्या होता है, cos 0 डिग्री क्या होता है. यही तो है उस टेबल में. You have to learn it firstly, then you can do the question. sin 0 डिग्री what है and cos 0 डिग्री क्या होता है, ये सब आपको पहले पढ़ना पड़ेगा. After that you can do the trigonometric questions like cot 0 degree is equals to 1 upon tan 0 degree, sec 0 degree is equals to 1 upon tan 0 degree, sec 0 degree is equals to 1 upon cos 0 degree is equals to 1, cosec 0 degree is equals to 1 upon sin 0 degree, sin 90 degree minus a is equals to cos a. So there are too much formula to find out the more and more solutions of the different trigonometric question. Like there are also some formula given to us, like tan 90 degree minus a is equals to cot a. It seems to be very difficult, but it is very easy. You just only have to put the value into that formula, and the answer will come automatically. Like sin a is equals to bc upon ac. Like cos a is equals to ab upon ac. Like tan a is equals to bc upon ab. Now you are thought about that, what is ac bc, ये ac आखिर है क्या? So it is nothing, like assume that there is a triangle, right angle triangle, like that there is a triangle, it is a right angle triangle. Assume that it is a b c and it is known as the theta. It is known as theta. And like sin a is equals to bc upon ac. To means sin a is equals to bc means height upon ac means hypotenuse. In such a manner we can do the different question and find the more and more number of solutions. Thank you so much for giving your precious time to us. Thank you so much.